Now, this is the process that I've found out and I think should be in the manual for customers to be able to, enjoy this product more. So the number one step should be taking out the cover that came with it. And the cover where you have, so the mainstays is a logo on the cover. So let it turn upside down. Thereby you have the outer side laying on the floor and the inner side is right opened. And which also means it is turning upside down. This is the number one process. Number one method of arranging this should be take out the cover, lay it down, let the outer part be laying on the floor and let it turn upside down. This is the upside and the down is where we have the zipper. Number one process. The number two process that I think should be the right one is take out the main bar. This is the bar. It came this way. So, you have to flip this way to make sure that the nodes, all the nodes are on the left and the right side and on the floor. So that means it's turning upside down. So I feel there's going to be like a sticker that shows up. So that means the bar is also resting upside down where we have the nodes, the black nodes, where you put the long bar. So this is the number two process. So the number two process is this, whereby you have to open a little bit, not too out, and ensure that all the edges of the cover are going into the bar. This is the number. So number one process is lay down the cover, turn it upside down, and right inside, this is the outside and this is the inside. That's the number one process. Number two process is bring this bent bar, the frame, the bar itself, the frame itself, inside the cover. That's the number two step. And make it like still bent this way. So not fully open. Number two process method. Number three method is ensure that all the edges goes into the frame. All the edges goes into the frame. And when it goes in it, okay, everything goes in here. All right. And the next thing you do is open wide. There we go. We get an answer to it. Now, that's the number three step. Number four is to take the side stronghold. So in this stronghold, you see a sticker that says up. So the up is going down. It's going to be pointing down this way. So all you have to do is to put it in between. So there is a space for it in between the bar. So all you have to do is to fix it in. There, draw up and draw up. Number five is to get all the bars. 5 in each centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then all you have to do is to fix them into the knob one after the other. Raise it up a little bit and put it right in there. And this side too, the same thing. And also on this part too, the same thing. Just ensure that everything goes into the nuts. You can call it knobs or node. It depends on what, I don't know, whichever way Mainstays call it. So, but I'll call it node. I use a lot of node at work. So put it inside it. I'll press all that later. So, alright, I'll do that. So, alright, then the next step is going to be, which I think is number 6, is going to be fixing this right in there to, go straight into the frame. So, what you have to do is to place them right in there. So, I'll call this number 6. So number 6. Okay. Alright, that's number 6. So just always know that the up arrow is also pointing down. So just like the bigger ones. Alright. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, that is number 6. So the last step, which I think is going to be number 7, is look for the lock area of your zipper, which is this. It's just the same thing you have on your sweaters. Some of our sweaters or our pants actually have something like this. Look for this lock and take it straight to where. So from the beginning where I started. So just put it right inside of it. Ensure it's inside it. Then zip. Zip, 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 zip. Zip, 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 zip. And sure you drag the clothes a little bit, stretch it so that it can go in. And all right. Just sit. And zip, 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 and lock. Boom. Here, we have been able to solve the issue of people complaining about, oh, the clothes is too tight, the clothes is too this, is too that, compared to what we have right now in the manual. So I think this is the best way to start to ensure people love this product and get used to, using this trick. So the next thing we're going to be doing, which is the last process, is just raise up a little bit. So there it's locked. And so if you have two people if you have someone to assist you on this, that's fine. If you're like you can see, I'm the only one doing this, and all you have to do is to press down all the long pads to lock it up. See? It's locked, locked. See? You can hear that sound. Pa, pa. So they are locking up. Now we have the top and our boss spring is ready. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much and have a great time with you then. Bye.